Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning for the week of July 16th through July 22nd in my half letter sized inserts from So Much Crafting, and I'm going to be using the Ravenclaw Common Room Essentials Kit by the Glam Planner. I believe part of this is exclusive. I think maybe the scenes within the dorms as well as the double box for each common room. I believe that part was exclusive art. Not entirely sure, but I really like it, even though it's blue and silver versus blue and bronze. I still think it's really pretty, and I'm really happy that I picked this kit up. I don't have any particular reason to use it this week other than I like the art, and so yeah, that's good enough for me. So first page, we've got the full boxes and the check boxes, as well as continuous strip of side washi. Second sheet also has continuous side washi, headers, littles, half boxes, and miscellaneous headers. This is the functional sheet with the bottom washi. This piece attaches, I believe, right here, so these stars line up if you were using it in an Erin Condren. I'm not going to use that one this time though. And then this has segmented washi strips over here. I also have the double box that comes with pre-sales, and I ordered the glitter headers. So let's jump right in. I did pull some other stuff from my foiled collection, and I'll show you those as I start to do it. So I'm gonna do the usual stuff first. I don't have date covers this time. Sorry, you can't see that. So I'm gonna start with my to-do headers, the check boxes, and then I'm gonna put down my bottom washi and my double box, and then I will come back and show you or explain from there. All right, so I have obviously laid down a bunch of stuff so far. I got tired of using the double box in my secondary spread in my little notebook that I keep in the back, and I really wanted to try and fit it into my week this time. So instead of putting a regular full box down in this middle section, I went with the double box over here on Monday and Tuesday, and then I put my today header directly below that because I still am sort of a Vourly planner, which is a combination of vertical and hourly. Now that I'm in a vertical layout and I am really embracing it with the traditional to-do and then that and all that, I still don't do little things. And so my hourly is really just chronological planning below the today header, wherever that is. And so everything is just in the order that it happens, and appointments and whatnot. So I still need that today thing. I want the continuity over here. And normally people put the today header above their full boxes, but I think that what's the point in buying a sticker kit that has such really pretty artwork if you're just gonna cover that artwork up with more stickers. That just doesn't make sense to me. So I don't like to keep my full boxes covered, and therefore my today header goes below that. And so went with the regular glitter headers above that, and then I followed them over, or brought them over into the weekend. Let's see. So I am going to put some of these full boxes over here on Saturday and Sunday, but because those are so small, I want to go ahead and put down our appointments and commitments for the weekend. So on Sunday morning, I'm going to grab this appointment like label box type thing and put that down right there. One of the things I pulled aside are my Planner Kate church stickers and then game stickers. I just stuck them right here so they were ready to be used. So I'm gonna put that there, and I will probably put down some deco. Let's go with a time turner. That seems fun. And I can go right up into the glitter header on there, and that's fine. And then I'm gonna use this diadem full box right below that. On Sunday, I know that I need to post my full week, but I'm not going to write that down, and I'm just going to skip over to using these silver foiled meal trackers by Adorably Amy for our usual Sunday night dinner with the family. I'm gonna put that down there. There's a little bit of white space, but I'm okay with that. It just blends in with the sticker, I think. On Saturday, I'm also gonna grab some silver foiled elements that were left over from last week's, or I guess not last week, the week before, my 4th of July spread. This is also by Adorably Amy. I'm gonna grab this like 3rd box and put that up there for our morning plans. And I'm gonna grab this nail art full box, stick it up here, and then I'm going to cover the very bottom again with a meal marker. So there we go, that is Saturday. Moving into my weekly commitments starting on Monday. Let's scoot this over. I don't know why it's sticking to my table so much. I'm gonna go ahead and put down another meal marker. Monday, let's see, we've got softball Monday and Tuesday and dinner, and that's pretty much all I need to put down right there. So I'll go ahead and put those across, and I'm gonna use half boxes to mark softball. And I'll grab the game stickers that were the custom order from Planner Kate. But I'm getting ahead of myself. I should put down those, there they are, half boxes over here. Let's go with this one and this one. Just going to set that right there, and that one right there. And I'm going to use my usual Planner Bliss mini sports icons for those. And there we go. On Wednesday, we've got a very busy day. We have dinner, we have scouts, my husband might have basketball, and I need to film. So I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna grab another one of these boxes right here. I don't wanna put the foil next to the foil, so maybe I'll use this for filming. And I will use another half box, maybe this star one, it's nice in the middle. So the star, so that will be for scouts. I'm gonna grab a little things, it doesn't really matter since I'm going to cover up that icon or that with an icon. So I'll put that right there, and then I'm going to put down the foiled 1/3 box for filming. Filling it in with my deco. I'm gonna go with a black paw from Bear Studios for Scouts. Another one of my Planner Bliss mini sports icons, this time in basketball, to cover up that asterisk. And then for filming, I'm going to grab this. This is a recent order from Pretty on Paper Company, and it obviously says film. And I'm looking for the planner, because I know this comes with a planner icon. Let's grab this little guy and film. Which one? Let's go with that one. There we go. On Thursday, we've got a lot happening. My daughter has piano in the morning, and then the rest will be in the afternoon and evening. So let's see what I've got to mark that with. I used my one appointment label already. And I do have foiled stuff, but again, I don't necessarily want to put foil against foil over here. No, that doesn't necessarily work. All right, I'm gonna grab one of these stitched boxes from my stash. That's just a landing spot for all of my leftovers from various Bear Studios kits, because this is the Bear Studios style of quarter box. And I'll lay that down right there, and I will put down, how about this little gray piano bean by Bear to mark piano. And then below that, we've got a meal marker coming in. And then on Thursday, we wanted to FaceTime with my mom, and then we also have softball. So I'm gonna grab another one of my half boxes. How about, let's see, I'm gonna need 2 of them. So let's grab the periwinkle one, and then we will also grab this guy. So this one will be FaceTiming with my mom, and this one will be softball. So I'll fill in another Planner Bliss softball, and then there's my sheet with my Planner Kate wording for game, and then let's see. Do I have it? Oh, yeah, I have a little computer. That will work for FaceTime with my mom. And I kind of want to add in this little golden snitch. That seems fun. So I'm gonna put that over here. I'll layer in the computer right there. So that'll be FaceTime with my mom. On Friday, we have softball. We have dinner, but I also want to leave that a little bit open. So we will grab another half box. Let's see, our game is at 8:20, so most likely we're not going to do anything after. So I'm going to put this a little bit low, just so it lines up with the lateness of Thursdays. I'm gonna move this meal marker all the way down here. That way I have some room to expand and write stuff down for Friday afternoon. So that is that. Let's put down our last game reminder. And there we go. I do have some back to school countdown stickers already, which I don't know if I want to use right now or not, just because they're so big, and it would start here, and then like there's not enough room on Thursday and Friday to put them, and I would want them to be all at the same level. So I think I might just move these over to my monthly view, but I think that this looks really good so far. I'm gonna go ahead and actually, I think I might. Friday is the day that my husband and I give ourselves allowance. So I'm gonna use this I bought stuff sticker and put that right there on this open space on Friday, because if I buy stuff, it will be on Friday when I get my fun money. So I'm gonna put that there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and write on that, and I will be right back. So here we are back in my binder. I think it looks really cool. I like how full it looks, and I do obviously have room to put the things I need to do for the day. I can still sort of expand down here and a little bit over here, but I like how unique this is because I haven't seen this artwork anywhere else, and I really like it. So this is what I have left over. Most of my glitter headers, I've got a fair amount of functional stuff, and I purposefully left the silver behind so that when I use leftovers, because I have a lot left, I can use this side washi and put it here instead of on the bottom. So I've got a lot left here. I didn't use any sort of weekend banner, but I really don't know where I would put it since it's so wide. So that is what I have left right here. I have side washi and then 2 full boxes, but I'm gonna use these later on because I still have parts 2 and 3 of the Lumos collection, also from Glam Planner, and one of which was going to be used for the week of Back to Hogwarts. So the box for that works, and then the castle obviously inside. So, and then I've got lots of these things as well. So I think that it was a great use of the kit. I got a lot out of it, and yeah, I love the essentials format. I think it's perfect for A5 planning, and it should be because that's what it was designed for, and I really like how this turns out. So be sure you're following me on Instagram and at Reese Plans to see how it changes throughout the week and if I end up moving things around. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.